How to fix Dragonkin The Banished is crashing. So first you want to go to your library and then right click on the game and open up the properties window. In the installed files tab, you want to verify the integrity of game files. Once this process is completed, you want to go back to the general tab and add -dx11 to the launch options. Next, you want to close Steam and then open up a new browser tab and search for Redist, short for redistributables. Click on the first link. And from this table here, you will need to download the latest redistributables, the 86 and the 64, both of these installers here. And once you finish the installation, it will ask you to restart your computer. Now, right after the restart, you will need to also check if you have the latest GPU drivers installed. If you're running NVIDIA GPU, you can use the NVIDIA app to download drivers. And if you're running AMD, you can use the AMD software. And you'll need to check and download the latest available driver updates and install them. Once you're done, you want to open up Steam as admin before launching the game. Just right click on Steam and run as admin. And then you want to open the game or launch the game from your Steam library. And this should fix the crash problem. If you find this helpful, leave a like and a comment, and see you on the next one.